What is up, man? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin on how you can open up a feminine woman sexually. So, sa mga bago sa channel ko, I'm Joms and I upload videos about dating and relationship, basically to help men gain control and leverage in their dating and relationships. Mainly, ang core topic ko sa mga videos ko is about polarity. Polarity meaning the natural attraction between the masculine and the feminine. So kung gusto mo maka-attract ng feminine, yung loyal, loving, supportive at submissive na babae sa buhay mo, then you might want to improve your masculine energy and understand the feminine. So sakto to dahil ako mismo ay nasa journey to be the best masculine version of myself. So sinishare ko sa channel ko yung mga natututunan ko as my life goes by. So kung gusto mo din ma-achieve yung best masculine version mo, then you might want to subscribe ka lang. Then you might want to subscribe sa channel ko dahil almost daily and weekly nag-upload ako ng mga videos na makakatulong sa'yo. So back to the video. So pag-usapan natin on how can you open up a feminine woman sexually. Okay? Kasi kung gusto mo magkaroon ng isang sexual relationship sa isang babae, then makinig kang mabuti sa video na to. Kasi kung hindi, palagi ka lang magiging pangkaibigan lang. So, bakit? Kasi maraming lalaki ngayon yung stuck sa friend zone dahil number one, hindi sila nakakapag-escalate sexually. Hindi sila nakakapag-escalate sexually kasi hindi nila na-open up yung isang babae. So, ang relationship na walang sex ay friendship lang. Okay? In order for you to have a romantic relationship, okay? Paano mo madidistinguish ang isang romantic relationship sa isang pangkaibigan na relationship lang? Okay? Ang pinagkaiba is merong intimacy sa romantic relationship. And intimacy, ibig sabihin merong sex, merong deeper connection. Okay? So, hindi ka makikita ng babae as her sexual partner kung umaasta ka ng pangkaibigan lang. Okay? Kung hindi mo siya na-open up sexually. So, kung hindi mo siya na-open up sexually, best lang ang itatawag niya sa'yo. Pero kung ma-open up mo siya, for sure, tatawagin kanyang daddy. Okay? Tatawagin kanyang daddy. Now, itong i-share ko sa inyo is way deeper than getting a pussy. Okay? This is way deeper than getting a pussy. This will make a woman not only open her legs, but also open her heart and soul to you. So, bago kayo bigyan ng tatlong bagay that will make a feminine woman sexually open up to you, pag-usapan muna natin kung ano ba yung mga maling ginagawa ng mga lalaki. The number one mistake, kaya natutuyo sa'yo ang babae, is because you have this kind of behavior na tinatawag nating approval-seeking behavior. So, ano ba ibig sabihin ng approval-seeking behavior? Approval-seeking behavior meaning gusto mo siyang ma-please or ma-impress palagi kaya naka-performance mode ka. Seeking for her approval and trying to please her won't make her pussy wet. Ang nangyayari is mas natutuyo lang siya every time that you are trying to seek for her approval, every time that you are trying to please her. Natutuyo lang siya. So, ang example nito ay yung tuwing gumagawa ka ng mga bagay para makuha yung attention at validation niya. Binibigyan mo ng regalo, nagiging gentleman ka, nililibre mo siya ng pagkain, nagiging nice and kind ka kasi gusto mo maging komportable at safe siya sa'yo. Dumadating ka na din sa point na sinasacrifice mo yung mga needs and priorities mo para lang mabigyan kanya ng attention at validation. Yan yung mga example ng approval-seeking behaviors. You are doing things in expectation of her approval. Okay? Gumagawa ka ng mga bagay for the sake na ma-please siya para mabigyan kanya ng validation, ng approval. Kumbaga, hindi mo naman gagawin yung mga bagay na yun kung nang wala lang. Kumbaga, gagawin ko tong bagay na to kasi nag-e-expect ako ng approval mo. Merong expectation. Kumbaga, you are doing things in expectation of her approval. Now, hindi ko sinasabing masama ang pagiging kind at respectful. Hindi ko sinasabing maging toxic kayo, maging masama kayong tao. Okay? Hindi ko sinasabing huwag kayong maging mabait. Hindi ko sinasabing masama ang pagiging kind and respectful. Pero kung ginagawa mo yan, okay? Kung ginagawa mo yung mga yan dahil meron kang hidden agenda na meron kang gustong makuhang kapalit sa kanya, then ginagamit mo yung niceness mo to secretly manipulate her. That's why, doon nagiging masama ang pagiging mabait. Doon nagiging masama ang pagiging kind. Doon nagiging masama ang pagiging gentleman. If you are doing all those things to manipulate her, okay? You are doing those things kasi meron kang hidden agenda, may hidden agenda kang gustong makuhang kapalit sa kanya. So, ang nangyayari, hindi ka nagiging genuine. Okay? Ang nangyayari is nasa performance mode ka. Okay? Ang nangyayari, you are secretly manipulating her. Also, being safe, kind, and respectful is not enough to sexually open up a woman. Hindi siya bubuka ka sa'yo dahil lang naging mabait at gentleman ka sa kanya. Because no one owes you for being kind and respectful. You are expected to be like that to all people. Okay? Sa lahat ng tao, dapat kind and respectful ka. You show kindness and you show respect. No one owes you for doing that one. Hindi porket naging mabait ka sa ibang tao, then mag-e-expect ka na magiging mabait din sila sa'yo. You are doing that one because ganun ka eh. You're not expecting something in return. In that way, mas nagiging authentic at mas nagiging genuine yung pagiging kind and respectful mo. So, bakit ito ba yung madalas na ginagawa ng mga lalaki ngayon? Okay? Kasi usually yung naririnig ko na yun yung unang naiisip natin kung gusto natin mas sexually attract yung babae. Maging mabait lang, maging kind, maging respectful, ganyan. So bakit ba yun agad yung naiisip natin? Kaya lang naman merong ganyang belief. Kasi meron tayong maling akala na pareho lang na gumagana ang sexual attraction ng isang babae at ng lalaki. Kasi kung matagal ka na sa channel ko, matagal mo na din alam na sobrang magkaiba ang biological programming ng lalaki sa babae. Kasi sa ating mga lalaki, kapag nakagandahan tayo sa babae, kapag nakita natin siya at nagandahan tayo, tapos naging sweet, kind, respectful siya sa atin, for sure, makakaramdam na tayo ng sexual attraction sa babaeng yun. Kaya akala natin, ganun din gumagana sa babae kasi ganun yung experience natin. Pero in reality, women are wired differently. Two things shall happen para mag-open up sexually ang babae sa'yo. First, she needs to experience emotional tension to feel sexual attraction and attachment. Second, she needs to trust your strength because women are security-seeking creatures. So in order for her to sexually open up to you, hindi lang yung puso niya but also her heart and soul, you need to emotionally stimulate her and get her to trust your strength. So, isipin mo ganito. Emotional tension will make her wet. Trust in your strength will make her stay wet. Emotional tension will activate her lust. Trust in your strength will activate her loyalty. Okay? Nagets mo ba? So, Joms, ano ba yung gagawin ko para ma-activate ko yung lust and loyalty niya so she will become sexually open sa akin? So, meron akong tinatawag na sensual tension. With this one, magagawa mong ma-experience niya yung emotional tension while also displaying and showcasing your masculine strength as a man. So, in this way, you will establish a foundation of attraction and trust. Okay, hindi yung condom na ka-trust condom. Trust. Okay, yung tiwala niya sa strength mo. Okay? So, unahan ko na kayo, hindi ito about sa pagiging mabait, hindi ito tungkol about sa pagiging gentleman at pagiging respectful. Again, ano na yun? Yung pagiging kind, respectful, and pagiging gentleman is something that is expected mo nang gawin sa lahat ng tao, hindi lang sa babae. So, nobody owes you for being kind and respectful. Alright? So, Joms, how can I establish yung foundation of attraction and trust? So, any man can establish this foundation through these three important things. Tandaan nyo to, tatlo lang to. First is presence. Presence. So, make sure kapag magkasama kayo ng babae, maging present ka lang sa moment. Don't overthink things. Be grounded, meaning hindi lumilipad yung isip mo. So, hindi yung nag-overthink ka, hindi yung hindi yung marami kang iniisip. Hindi yung alam mo yung pag lumilipad yung isip, hindi yung yung naka-drugs Yung lumilipad yung isip mo na sobrang dami mo ng senaryong iniisip sa utak mo na hindi mo na ma-enjoy yung moment nyo together. Kasi usually, pag lumilipad yung isip mo kapag kausap o kasama mo yung babae, dahil meron kang outcome na gustong makuha sa kanya. So, iniisip mo kung anong gagawin mo, ano yung isusunod mong itatanong, kasi nga, meron kang outcome. Okay? Ang ginagawa mo is you're seeking for her approval. So, what you want to do is be in the moment with her. The more she feels your presence, okay? The more she feels that your presence is with her, the more she wants to spend time with you. Second is confidence. Okay, pangalawa, confidence. Nothing is more attractive for a woman than a confident guy. Dalhin mo yung sarili mo na parang ikaw yung pinaka-poging lalaki sa mundo. Na alam mo kung bakit sumama siya sa date sa'yo. Kasi ikaw yan eh. Ikaw na yan eh. Parang ganun. You are very confident sa sarili mo. You are confident in your own skin and personality. Also, hindi lang to basta sa aura, sa confidence sa aura. Mapapakita mo na confident ka na kaya mong ipagtanggol yung sarili mo. Ibig sabihin, meron kang boundaries. Hindi ka pumapayag sa hindi mo tinotolerate yung mga disrespect. Ganyan. Kaya mo mag-walk away. Confident ka na marami pang options dyan. Marami pang opportunities sa'yo dyan kapag nawala siya. Okay? Also, showing confidence, ibig sabihin, kaya mo rin mag-take ng risk. Okay? Kaya mo mag-take ng risk. Kaya mo magbato ng flirt. Kaya mo siyang i-challenge. Basically, a man that can take risk. So, that's a very confident man. Third is integrity. Integrity meaning you are a man of your word. Kapag may sinabi ka, gagawin mo. You tell the truth and you follow through. Kumbaga, isa to sa pinaka-importante to make her stay wet. If you are walking with integrity. If you don't act with integrity, she will start to lose the ability to trust you. Lahat to, itong sinabi kong tatlo, ay magsisimula sa sarili mo. Hindi mo pwedeng gawin tong tatlong to tuwing may kasama ka lang na babae. Okay? Matutuyo lang ang babae sa'yo kasi maging approval-seeking behavior na to. Kumbaga, pinipeke mo yung presence mo, pinipeke mo yung confidence mo, pinipeke mo yung integrity mo para lang makuha yung babae, para makuha lang yung approval ng babae. And yung tatlong yun, hindi gagana yun kasi ginagawa mo siya to seek for approval. So that's why you need to embody these three things. Kailangan mo siya gawin kahit may kasama kang babae o wala. You need to practice doing these things. Kailangan mo na siyang i-embody. Okay? Identity mo na yung tatlong yon. So, you want to be present, be confident, and walk with integrity. Tatlo lang yan. So, if you want to know more about sensual tension at sa tinuturo kong diskarte pagdating sa mga babae, you can join my email newsletter for free kung saan nagbibigay ako ng daily advice that will help you gain leverage and control sa dating and relationships nyo. So kung palagi ka nababasted, na-friendzone, nare-reject at natotorpe at gusto mo na maging best masculine version mo para maka-attract ka na ng feminine, yung loyal, loving, submissive na babae sa buhay mo, check mo lang yung link sa description box or nasa bio ko. Libre lang yan. And I'll see you on the next video. Let's go.